Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're starting now. Confirm no known sensitivities and do a quick 24-hour patch test on your inner wrist. Once clear, dim lights and set your room to about 16-19 degrees C. Make the space calm. Next, apply Saje Sleep Well to clean, dry pulse points, wrists, base of throat, and behind ears using a light roll. Make sure to avoid broken skin and eyes. Using a diffuser for 15-30 minutes complements topical use. Inhale naturally to begin the calming cascade. Once topical and diffuser are running, layer techniques to deepen relaxation. Apply 1-2 gentle rolls per pulse point, less is more, to get steady aromatics without irritation. Then, sit or lie comfortably and practice paced breathing, like 4 seconds in, 4 seconds hold, 8 seconds out, for 8-12 cycles. This synchronizes scent with parasympathetic response. If your skin is dry or sensitive, apply a light moisturizer first. Because scent still travels through the skin, make sure to keep the oil away from your eyes. To finish, settle into bed and let the routine carry you. If you wake and need a top-up, reapply a single light roll, no more, because overuse dulls effectiveness. Store the bottle below 25 degrees C with the cap tight so aroma stays consistent. If you notice irritation, immediately wash the area with mild soap and water. Stop using the product, and monitor. If redness or discomfort continues, consult a healthcare professional. Troubleshooting tip. If the scent seems weak, check diffuser water level or replace the product if old.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.